Well, I certainly have enjoyed sharing my reel-to-reel tape collection with you in this series. And I had this recorder in my collection and really didn't do any kind of a feature for it. I'm going to show you a couple of things that are special. It is a Lloyds TP566. A Lloyds TP566. You can see the Lloyds logo right there. And this was, I believe, produced or sold under a number of different brand names. This particular model is, I've been through it and refurbished it, corrected some wow and flutter issues, and have really improved the audio. When I got it, it was missing the battery compartment cover, which you've seen me produce in another one, and it also had a cover over the top of the tape recorder, and that is missing. So you can buy these tape recorders on eBay and WorthPoint and a few other places like that, and they'll sell from anywhere from $15 to $55, maybe more, depending on the condition, and they might come with a box and a microphone and some tapes and those kinds of things. This one, I don't even know where I got it, but so I wanted to show you the recording quality, all things considered. This is a reel driven, and you can see the motor right in there, and it'll touch the rubber reel. Let me show you here. There's the rubber tire around the reel of the tape deck. And the same goes for rewind. Rewind's a little faster, of course, than the forward. So let's just listen to a segment here that I recorded earlier today.
Considering that this is a rim drive Lloyds model TP566 micro reel-to-reel tape recorder. The Lloyds TP566 tape recorder is a 1960s vintage 1.5 volt battery tape recorder.
Okay, so both music, and you probably detected the very little wow and flutter in the audio, very impressive audio, or the wow and flutter stability, and the voice reproduction is nice and clear, and plenty of gain. So really tickled with the way that this repair went on this particular tape deck. So I wanted to show you, so the rear cover was somewhat of a challenge to create. We have these little tabs right here on each side that have to be accommodated. It's very thin, and there was some kind of a little retainer right here that caught the tape deck, or the cover, and then there's these notches here that had to accommodate. So let me show you what I ended up with. I 3D printed this and worked on the tabs and the notches, as you can see there, and then even created a little sliding latch for the cover. So let's just set it in there just like that, and then the latch pops in place. So that's the cover for the Lloyds TP566. That's the battery cover. So then the next challenge was creating a cover for the overall, for the top. And what I thought I would do is experiment with printing some clear material. Now when I say clear, you'll see in a moment that it's not really clear, it's translucent. But it makes for a very pretty looking cover And so let's put the cover on. I printed this. Took me a while to design it and print it. And you can see that it is translucent. It's very, very light, and it printed very thin. See how thin it is. And I included some posts here to notch into the places over here that will catch the cover. And it has a tab on the bottom. Right there, you can see across the bottom. That slips into this notch here. So let's put it in. Get it into its notch here. There we go. And it just slaps right into place and holds in place. And so there's the cover for the little Lloyds tape recorder. And we can listen to
is a 1960s vintage
speakers on the bottom, as you
1.5
see.
volt battery tape recorder.
All right. So this is a short video just to give you a little bit of a feel for what's available out there. And I would encourage you, if you're interested in working on these, you can find them all over the place. And anyway, leave your comments in the section below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up.